morning all of you. Carboxylic acid, properties of carboxylic acid 1 we are going to discuss. In these reactions what we are going to discuss in this video, all the reactions involving the cleavage of carbon OH bond from carboxylic acid. And the first reaction is reaction with metal. The active metals like sodium, magnesium, zinc and other metal react with carboxylic acid and liberate hydrogen in gaseous state. So, the reaction of metal is a common reaction of all the acid, whether inorganic or organic. All the acid liberate hydrogen when treated with the active metal. For example, acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH when treated with metallic sodium gives. This one hydrogen is liberated as H2 in gaseous state, gives CH3 C double bond ONA. Hydrogen is replaced by metallic sodium. Here 2 hydrogen liberated. The salt obtained is a well-known salt, that is sodium acetate, basic in nature, sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. Then second reaction is reaction with the alkali. A soluble base is called alkali, an example sodium hydroxide. Because of these are acid, all acid undergo neutralization reaction with a base. Acetic acid undergo neutralization reaction with a strong base sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide undergo ionization gives Na plus and OH minus. Acetate ion and H plus, acetic acid undergo ionization. This plus combine with the minus, plus combine with the minus. Form the salt CH3 C double bond ONA plus loss of H2O. A neutralization reaction is one in which acid is completely neutralized by a base, gives salt and water. The salt obtained here is sodium acetate. Reaction with carbonates and bicarbonate. This is one of the tests for carboxylic acid. Carbonate is CO3 2 minus ion. Valency for carbon is 4. We know the carbonate C double bond O minus O minus. Carbonate 2 minus ion. If the 2 minus are occupied by sodium, NaOC double bond ONA, this is nothing but sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, molecular formula, Na plus 1, carbonate 2 minus, oxidation state when we crash, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. To this carbonate, OC double bond O minus, this is carbonate. One hydrogen and one sodium attached to this minus, we will get a bicarbonate, NaHCO3. What is the test for carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid liberate carbon dioxide or gives brisk effervescence due to the liberation of carbon dioxide with sodium bicarbonate or sodium carbonate. Reaction is easy reaction. Acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH when treated with sodium bicarbonate HO C double bond O ONA. One H plus and OH minus removed as H2O, H plus OH minus. The bond between metallic sodium and oxygen is shifted between carbon and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is liberated. This gives brisk effervescence. This Na plus added to acetate minus gives the salt. So CH3, C double bond O, ONA plus carbon dioxide plus as usual H2O. So carboxylic acid gives brisk effervescence with sodium bicarbonate. Remember, the carbon dioxide is liberated from carbonate only, not from carboxylic acid. This carbon dioxide is not liberated, this carbon dioxide is liberated. With the sodium carbonate, it also gives brisk effervescence. Acetic acid, CH3, C double bond O, OH, acetic acid. Another one molecule of acetic acid, CH3, C double bond OH, when treated with sodium carbonate, O, C double bond ONA gives same product are obtained with the liberation of carbon dioxide. One H plus and OH minus removed as H2O. H plus OH minus, acetate becomes minus, acetyl becomes plus. A bond between oxygen and sodium shifted between carbon and oxygen. Here C double bond O, there C double bond O, carbon dioxide gas is liberated. This sodium becomes plus, oxygen is minus. Add plus 2 minus and minus 2 plus. So what are the product are obtained? CH3, C double bond ONA, CH3, C double bond ONA. Two molecules of CH3, C double bond ONA plus carbon dioxide is liberated and also water molecule. Sodium acetate is formed. Remember, carbon dioxide is liberated only from sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. The carbon dioxide is not removed from the carboxylic acid functional group. This is one of the tests for carboxylic acid. In this video, we have completed the reactions involving the cleavage of oxygen-hydrogen bond in carboxylic acid. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.